Sawadika. Hi everyone. Today let's make ข้าวผัดสับปะรด or pineapple fried rice.
This recipe is for 2 to 3 person. Full recipe will be listed in the description box below. You can also follow our work on YouTube and Facebook.
Before we continue, give this video a like, share and subscribe to show your support. Let's take a look at our ingredients. We have overnight cooked rice, spring onion, pineapple, eggs, cashew nuts, white onion, semi-boiled prawn, rough minced garlic, curry powder, pepper, salt, soy sauce, sugar, and vegetable oil. Let's get the chopping out of the way. I have my pineapple slices. Size is all up to your preference. Let's lightly toast our cashew nuts. I have my stove on low heat and I'm putting in my vegetable oil. Before you fry them, run them through some water to wash them. Want the nice color from our cashews, so I'm using a really gentle heat and slowly frying this. These actually don't take that long at all, so that is the color we are looking for. So now let's make our fried rice. With the same oil, we put our garlic in. Right after the garlic is the onion. And now that they're in this state, we push them to the side and add in our eggs. We scramble the eggs till they are fully cooked. When our eggs are done, we put in our overnight cooked rice. Make sure you are using overnight rice because we want our rice to be as dry as possible. So cook your rice beforehand, chuck it in the fridge, and it's ready to be used the next day. My heat is about medium high and I'm just breaking up my rice. When our rice, egg and onion are fully mixed, we put in our seasoning. Mix this well and add in your curry powder and spring onion. It's important that you add these two at the very end. Make sure that the curry powder is well combined with everything. And this is our ข้าวผัดสับปะรด. It's looking so good. It smells good too because of the curry powder. And look at that yellow, the orange, the shades in here, just so colorful. This dish is not entirely sweet, and that's what I like about it. It has the right amount of salty, sweet, everything work well together. The pineapple and the cashew give it that crunch, that nuttiness. Give this recipe a try if you're craving some good old pineapple fried rice that you get from Thailand. See you next time with a new Thai recipe. Bye bye!